Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance tutorial for the Dyson HS01 hairdryer. In this video, we'll guide you through essential steps to keep your device in top shape. First, let's gather the tools you'll need: a soft microfiber cloth, a small Phillips screwdriver, and some compressed air for cleaning. Begin by unplugging your hairdryer. Safety first. Once it's unplugged, let's take a look at the exterior. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe down the surface, removing any hair or product residue. This simple step keeps your dryer looking new and functioning properly. Next, we'll focus on the filter. The Dyson HS01 has a removable filter that needs regular cleaning. Locate the filter cover at the back of the dryer. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws that hold the cover in place. If you find it challenging to unscrew, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the filter cover off. You'll see the filter inside. Carefully pull it out and inspect it for dirt and debris. It's essential to clean this filter every month to maintain airflow and performance. Rinse it under warm water and let it air dry completely before reassembling. While the filter is drying, let's turn our attention to the internal components. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust that may have accumulated in the dryer's vents. This will help prevent overheating and ensure efficient operation. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free for you. After the filter is dry, place it back into the dryer. Align it properly and push it in until it clicks into place. Now, take the filter cover and align it with the dryer. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic. Now that we've cleaned the filter and internal components, let's focus on the power cord. Inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice fraying or cuts, it's crucial to get it repaired immediately. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson HS01 hairdryer and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds. If it's operating smoothly, congratulations! You successfully maintained your hairdryer. If at any point during this process you feel uncertain or don't have the right tools, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help with no calls, no travel required. Simply contact us for assistance, and we'll make sure your Dyson HS01 is in perfect working condition. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your beautifully maintained hairdryer. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.